nga tukyagenda amaaso nga bugolo nate omukulembeze muno mu ggwanga lyattu Uganda General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni asabye abantu abamanyi ebyafaayo okubeekwatako okusobola okulaba nga babiteeka mu kaddiirizo ly'eggwanga lyattu Uganda mu ngeri nnyinimu bw'atakwata mu kisibo embuzi zifaanaga nga pulezidenti agamba nti kino kigenda kuyambako abantu okutegeera biki ebyaliwo biragenza okubituukako ng'eggwanga lyattu Uganda nga tuli mu nteekateeka okujaguza emyaka 6 egy'obwetwaze bukyanga tubufuna amagwalo 962.
Omukulembeze w'eggwanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni asabye abakuuma ekifo ky'ebyafaayo ne minisitule ey'ebyobulambuzi okunoonya abo abamanyi ebyaliwo mu myaka egy'enkaaga babigatte mu museum oba ekaddiiyirizo. President Museveni asinzidde ekittante mu kibuga Kampala awali ekifo kino ku luguudo lw'e Kamwokya.
Among the people who expose the history are the archaeologists. Katusime talked of Professor Posnaske. I don't know whether he's still alive. He used to come here. He used to come some time ago.
Mwami Museveni agamba nti emyaka egiri wansi w'egy'enkaaga waliwo ebyafaayo bingi nabwe kityo babanoonye.
They are very rich sources, the pictures, the what. How about the 1940s? Because my father told me that the British used to come and make films in the villages, but I never... Where are they, those films of the 1940s? You are talking of 1950s, 60s. How about the 1940s? What happened to them? The archives people.
Alaze nnyeeke eri abakulembeze b'ennono ab'emyaka egy'edda abatakubirizanga abantu baabwe okukola bave mu mbeera gye baalimu.
But the problem was that our egocentric kings and chiefs were emphasizing parochialism instead of looking for the similarities among our people. This is where I don't agree with the traditionalist groups. Because when you look at all what, especially like what they call the interlacustrine Bantu, they're just one language.
Asimye abakulira ekaddiiyirizo okukuuma ebyafaayo bye balinawo.
This should not be forgotten. I thank you so much and I salute you, because definitely if you had not remembered this Luvimbi, I think we could have lost a lot of resources.
Agumiza bannayuganda nti emyaka 7 abazungu gye baafugira ebizibu byali bingi wabula byakuggwaawo.
Just before independence. So there were so many problems that the independent country of Uganda started with. But in the 70 years we were with the British, there were also some benefits. The introduction of modern education, although small.
Minister Tombotime ow'ebyobulambuzi alaze we batuuse okusikiriza abaakuno n'abava ebweru babyettanire.
The current collaboration has a theme, rethinking the Uganda Museum, transporting histories. As part of this project, which is also involves Makerere University History Department, the team began with Amin's exhibitions and scene archives, which attracted 20,000 domestic and international tourists in 2019 alone. This was because of the panel discussions.
Ministry ey'ebyobulambuzi egamba nti baagala okwongera okuzimba ekaddiiyirizo bakumiremu ebyafaayo.
The Uganda Museum has the finest ethnographic exhibition in Africa. The ministry is working hard to refurbish the National Museum and have it expanded to fit international standards, as well as making it a must-see site in Kampala.
Baba aliwo nga Uganda efuna obwetwaze boogedde bati ku kiseera ekyo.
In 1962, I was a second-year medical student at Makerere Medical School. We walked from Northcote Hall to the ceremonial grounds in Kololo to witness the lowering of the Uganda Protectorate flag and the raising of the present-day Uganda flag.
They refused to bring back the second school to Gulu up to now. That was our experience. We had a lot of problem with the British.
And helped the Prime Minister. At that time, my husband was not the president. He was the Prime Minister. I helped him with what you expect a wife to do when visitors come home, when you have to attend functions with him. I had to do all that. But on top of that, I was a social worker.
Bia Ora Gabdel, Sorot TV, Omunyo.